Hey guys, Miles here, and yeah, this is going to be a bit of an update video, so it's not scripted, so I might ramble on a bit and talk about stuff that doesn't really matter, but just bear with me. And also, what do you guys think of this setup? Let me know if you prefer it to my regular desk setup. But anyway, let's get into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is my last video, the Jaybird run review. My friend Chris from Daily Tech actually gave me a shout out in one of his previous videos comparing the MacBook Pro to the iPad Pro. I'll leave that video in the description down below or one of the cards, wherever those are. He had checking out my latest video as a requirement for one of his SNES giveaways, so there's a lot of love on that video, a lot of comments given the amount of views I have on the video, so just a huge thanks to Chris, and I'll leave his channel linked in the description as well. Also, yeah, 2017 was not a good year for the MilesT3CH channel. I probably uploaded less than 20 videos this 2017 last year. A lot of slacking off, a lot of procrastination, a lot of being lazy. A lot of times I'll tweet out videos saying, oh, this is gonna drop, I'm gonna put this out, and I'd never put it out. And I'm sorry for that. There are probably not that many people who are actively looking for new videos on this channel anymore, but I want that to change. This is going to be a big year for changes on YouTube. I'm going to get into a lot of other stuff on YouTube besides tech videos, especially on this channel. I'm going to do other channels. I want to start getting back into comic book movie related things. I might start a couples channel, stuff like that. So who knows? There are changes to come is basically what I'm trying to say. A lot of changes to come for the new year. So I'm excited. I'm pumped. I think I've had my year of being lazy. That was 2017. This year it's back to the grind. And I'm going to try to upload at least every week, if not every other week. Probably every other week because of my schedule. And yeah. So I also tweeted out to you guys to send in some questions for me to do a little Q&A in addition to this update video. So let's get started on that. So here we are for questions. So the first question comes from Victor Kamanga. He asks 2018 goals, and definitely one of my main 2018 goals is to expand my video portfolio across YouTube and just in general. I want to shoot a lot more video this year, tech videos on this channel, other types of videos on other channels, hopefully shoot a lot more client work this year, maybe edit videos for some other people, just really dig into the video work this year. That is one of my main goals. Next question comes from my buddy Tim Schofield. He asked, when are we going to collab? Soon. I have some stuff planned, hopefully some new products come in, and yeah, we'll talk, Tim. Kevin asks, any upgrades you're currently saving up for? So I recently got this gimbal from Fiyu Tech, the SGB Plus. It's a smartphone gimbal, not for a actual mirrorless camera or DSLR. And just using that thing on my phone makes me really want one for my camera. So besides the general things like I kind of am in desperate need of a new lens as well as a new tripod, a gimbal is something I'm really looking forward to probably purchasing towards the end of the year. Greg asks, any cool projects planned for 2018? What about traveling? Traveling, I plan on doing quite a bit of traveling. Actually, next month, I'm going to be meeting up with, of course, Greg, Kevin, Tyga, Eric, and Victor. We're going to be shooting some stuff for Visual Perspectives. And if you don't know what that is, I'll leave a few links in the description down below for you to check that out. It's a cool new thing we've been working on since July of 2017. So you should definitely check that out. You can give us a follow on all of our social media. But yeah, traveling, I plan to go to New York, probably going out to California again this year, especially since I'm probably going to be going there for college. Cool projects planned. I have a lot of ideas. I have not yet compiled a concrete plan, but there are a lot of ideas I have that I plan on executing this year. So you guys will know more about that in the coming weeks to months. Tian asks, favorite person in the world? I don't have a favorite person in the world, honestly. It's not you, Tian. That's what you're asking. Sorry to disappoint. Sorry. Daily Tech asks, favorite inspirational quote? I don't really have a favorite inspirational quote, but one quote I really like is simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. I don't remember who said that. Somebody that was cool or famous or well known for something. It'll be right here somewhere. Sometimes it just means that the simplest stuff can still also be very sophisticated at the same time if you really look into it. Sorry if I mess up your name here, but Pranay Pathole, I'm sorry, I probably wrecked your name. He says, tech you're most excited to see in 2018. Honestly, I'm not sure. I mean, stuff has kind of been the same lately. Nothing really that exciting. Uh, Maybe somebody makes a new constant f1.8 zoom lens, because I feel so trapped and limited when it comes to cool lens options with Sigma and their 18 to 35 and 50 to 100. Those are like the only constant f1.8 lenses made, which kind of seems weird to me. So hopefully somebody else makes that. I guess when it comes to like mobile technology, I'd really like to see what the new Pixel's gonna look like. I still haven't gotten the 2 yet. I plan on probably getting that later in the year, maybe. But yeah, Google really killed it with those phones besides the display issues. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what's up with that. Imitation asks, what was your proudest achievement from last year? When I think about it, it's probably shooting my very first real client video, paid client video. I hadn't been really doing any of that up until that point in August of 2017. And yeah, I'm really proud of that. It was a pretty big project and I got paid a lot of money for it. So yeah, I look forward to definitely doing a ton more of that this year. But that's about it for the questions. For the people who actually like the channel and like the videos on this channel, I'm sorry I've been slacking, but that is going to change definitely this year. There's going to be more stuff on this channel, more stuff with visual perspectives, and I'm hyped. I'm really hyped, but you guys should be too. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, all that good stuff. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in the next video, hopefully pretty soon.